Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to concert makeup look. I find that every time I go to a concert, this is the look I go for. Very simple on the eyes, but the rest of the face is super cute and pretty much full glam. I hate saying that, but it's what it is. So, yeah. The last time I wore this makeup look, I went to a GRWM concert. I have so many concerts coming up this summer and I am super excited, and this is what I'm going to be wearing to them. So, yeah. Next, bitch, this is my perfume. I deadass thought this was my Mario Badescu. 1 second. Next, I'm going to be spritzing some of my Mario Badescu lavender spray. Because you know, bitch, you know. And I'm also going to go ahead and prep my lips with some lip balm. We're going to be starting off with the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and first prime them. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Clover palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take this color Best Friends right here and apply it on my lid. Then I'm going to take the color right next to it in Cuddle Buddy and lightly blend that in my crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and just take a blending brush and blend that a little more. For the eyes, I like to keep it super simple. I basically either use only one eyeshadow, blend it up to my crease, or I like to use two, one on my lid, one on my crease. I'm a very simple girl when it comes to makeup, so. Then I'm going to highlight my brow using this color right here called Puppy Eyes. What the f? This had color on it. Damn it. I'm so annoyed. That brush that I literally just used to highlight had red fucking eyeshadow on it, so look at my eye, and then I just had to rub it off so my eyes all red. So, I'm pissed. But we're going to redo that on this eye until this one is done being inflamed. But we're going in with the color Puppy Eyes. So this eye is still really red, so ignore that. But that is it for the eyes for now. And now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. Now I'm going to conceal my blemishes using the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal under my eyes using my e.l.f. foundation palette. I'm going to be taking these two shades right here and mixing them together. I like to do it under my foundation. I feel like it just blends better. Now we're going to move on to foundation. So this is probably my favorite foundation to use for concerts. Drugstore wise, it's Milani Conceal and Perfect. However, they revamped their line. So I used to be in the shade 02 Natural. Where's my other one? Okay, this was the original 02 Natural. Do you see how dark it is? And this is the new 02 Natural. So I thought it would fit me better, but it doesn't fit me at all. So I have to return these because it's not my shade. Like, I look so washed out. So today I'm going with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. But for a concert, you want something that's like going to be really long lasting, that's going to stay on and really give you full coverage. So that's what I would use, but I'm going to go ahead and go with this. But this one is still bomb as fuck, you guys, so. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bake under my eyes using my Bellapierre banana powder. Ooh, girl. This shit is crazy. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose using the Anastasia Stick Foundation in the color Mink. Look how cute this is. It's a mini. I'm just gonna ever so gently not fuck this up, okay? When I went to the GRWM concert, I set my face with this Airspun powder, so I'm going to try it again. Now using the same brush, I'm gonna wipe this shit away. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up the face. I'm gonna first start with my nose, and I'm gonna use this little baby thing. Slow, baby. Then I'm going to take more of this airspun powder and just clean up. So now I guess we're going to go ahead and move on to the brows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow. So I'm in the color Auburn. Gwen Stefani blush palette. I think I'm going to use this color Easy. I'm going to highlight now, and I just haven't been having enough glow lately, so I'm going to be using this Amazonian Clay Sparker 12-hour highlight, but before I apply it, I'm going to spray my Mario Badescu's brow on my brush. That's how you do it, right? Yeah, that's how you do it. Zoop, zoop. Oh, puppy. Want to say hi? Come here, come here. Say hello. Come here, show your face. Say hello, everybody. He's just trying to eat my clothes. Hi, I love you too. Who's out there? You got an eye booger. My big boy. You okay, big boy? So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the eyes. I'm gonna line my waterline and Tide line, or whatever the fuck it's called. How many of you would watch me if I did, like, not Instagram live, because a lot of people in my area would watch me and I'd probably feel a little fucking awkward. But how many of you would watch me if I went on, like, YouTube live? Because I've been thinking about it. Like, whenever I do my makeup, I think about going on live. So would you guys be interested? Would you watch that? Let me know down below. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to first prime with this eyelash primer and then apply my Tarteist lash paint. So this is the completed look. This is what I like to wear to concerts. Like I said, I keep the eyes pretty simple, but I like to go pretty much full glam on my whole face because you gotta look good. You're gonna be jumping up and down. You're gonna be sweating. You're gonna be taking lots of pictures, so you gotta make sure your makeup looks good and that it stays on. So this is the completed look. So yeah, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is set using my spray. Only a little bit though. And for concerts, I usually curl my hair. I curled my hair last night, and I didn't put any hairspray in it, and this is what, like, my curls look like because my hair is, like, so straight. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys would, watch me if I did, like, if I went live on YouTube, and also let me know what videos you guys want to see down below, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.